Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And on iPhone we have two options how to check it. The first one is to create a widget. You need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Here it is, tap at this line, but also you can use the search and write batteries here and tap right here. So here is 3 presets what iPhone offer for us. Just select the best one for you, click at widget, and right here you can check battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected with your phone. The problem is this one is general battery percentages, so not for left and right earbud, and for this we have the second option, is to use an application. You need to open EARFUN audio app, then of course you need to add your earbuds to the application and you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, after that right here we have the battery level for the left and right earbuds, also for the charging case. If you don't see it for the charging case, you need to put your earbuds to the case and then you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!